is a bird. Look at the bird's beak. Is it long or short? Look at the bird's legs. Are they long or short? Is this bird a stork? No, it is not a stork. What color is it? What color is the bird? Big. Look at the bird. It is in the sky. The sky is blue. What can you see the cloud? They are white. Can you see the clock? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. It is very hot. The bird is very hot and tired. It is looking for some water. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see the tree and houses. Is that a river? There is water in the river. No, it is not a river. It is road. There is no water. The bird is very tired and very hot. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see the sea. Look at the sea. Look at the ships. There is water in the sea, but the bird cannot drink it. There is salt in the water. The bird is very tired and very hot. Bye bye.